Today we're going to replace the boot or trunk release switch on a Ford Focus. I've removed the steering wheel so you get a better look of what's going on, but you don't need to do it. All you really need to do is lower the steering wheel, the switch below, and the first thing you need to do is remove this trim work here. It's held on by 3 screws. Now we need to lift out this moulding. Keep in mind of the wiring behind the switch. Simply squeeze to release. Once we have the trim work off, just simply push the switch out. Get a new switch. I'd recommend pulling it through, not to put any strain on the switch itself. And you're done.